Hi everyone! How do you deliver an effective presentation? Let's begin.
Let's start with how to make a practical introduction to get your audience attention. Always start your presentation with a polite, warm greeting. Smile and look at your audience. Eye contact is vital. Then, greet your audience. For example, good morning everyone. My name is Nora. An important part of getting your audience attention is the hook. The hook will make them sit up and pay attention to your presentation. Your hook could be a startling statement, a relevant joke, a rhetorical question, a quote, or even a captivating visual. For example, to start with a question, do you know that 95% of cybersecurity breaches are caused by human error? You may, however, choose to start with a hook and then greet the audience and introduce yourself. Next, you need to briefly introduce the topic. You could say, "Today, I will talk about staying safe on the internet." Another example. In my presentation today, I will be discussing ways to stay safe when going online. Sounds simple so far, right? The next part of the introduction is the presentation preview. This is the part where you briefly go through the main points of your presentation, like an outline. You could say something like, "In my presentation today, I'll be sharing with you different ways you can keep safe online in regards to password use, information sharing, and networking."
I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.